When we started Concierge Preferred, our focus was to give them a tool to help serve active visitors. So they wanted something that was portable, easy to carry, had great maps in there, gave them opportunity to interact with it. Mike Magnus and I, my partner, started talking about the idea of Concierge Preferred. And I went and interviewed 25 probably concierge at the time about the idea. And quite frankly, they all said, not such a great idea, you should go this way. And so that's what we did. We developed a product to meet the needs of the concierge. And fortunately, when we shared that with a number of businesses at the time to say this is what the concierge are saying they need, they all said the same thing. It's a great idea, the city needs that.
What CP has done for me is expand my network. Your net worth is only as good as your network in this industry, is what I like to tell people. I've had the opportunities to meet other people that I probably couldn't have the chance of meeting in such a fast period of time.
My favorite thing that Concierge Preferred does is the neighborhood maps. They kind of zone in, because that's a lot of time what guests want. They want something within walking distance from the hotel. They want something that's locally owned and operated. They want, to know what's on their block. And that's what the neighborhood maps really do. They really take it a step further and kind of bring people into their own neighborhood and help them discover what's right around the corner.
It's very difficult to go out and enjoy everything that the city has to offer, but I want to be knowledgeable in sending our guests to everything that's available to them. So I use Concierge Preferred as a very, very important resource.
And the magazine's outreach to the industry is just fabulous, and it's all through building genuine relationships with the concierge, with meeting planners, with really the city of Chicago. The magazine's involvement in the city is just amazing. It's more than a magazine, and it needs to be successful.
The trade show is a great opportunity for me to meet with other business owners, operators, people with the same goal. Last year wasn't good enough. You have to be better next year. You have to be new, you have to be creative, you have to be thinking about different things. Most of us have that same challenge. We're all in one place, but I really do like breaking away from the booth and making the rounds to go see some old friends, make new friends, see what kind of businesses can be done.
I've seen Concierge Preferred grow in leaps and bounds. From when I had started, it was just one product. It was a magazine. And so from then, it went to the website. And so now we have maps, portable maps for guests to use. We can contact guests by emailing them, giving them some links to the website. We show them the magazine, we show them maps on how to get around, making it all quite convenient for the guests.
One of the things that have always made Concierge Preferred different is we've always had a team of experts that are fun to work with, that want to give back to the industry, heavy background in Chicago, and bottom line experts in Chicago's visitor industry. A lot of our clients have told us that we've been leaders in the industry because we've been so innovative. But really, we have to thank our partners, the concierge and the businesses that we work with for giving us great ideas. I mean, we're listening and we're trying to accommodate their needs, but they're really the ones driving the ideas. So thank you to them. When you think about our future, I wish I had something like grand to say, but the simple truth is we're going to continue to listen to our clients, listen to our partners, our concierge and business partners, and innovate and come up with solutions to meet their needs. That's what we're going to continue to do.